Good afternoon, students. Today, commerce. Last class, we all studied about what lesson? Elements of entrepreneurship. This lesson, so many important topics. First one is meaning. Next one, concept of entrepreneur, characteristics of entrepreneur, importance of entrepreneur. Next one, entrepreneur and entrepreneur scheme. Owner of entrepreneur is a owner of company or one individual person manage. Entrepreneur is only employee. Next, woman entrepreneur. So many woman entrepreneur schemes is Stand Up India, Mahila Korjana, Mahila Aunt, Magalir Udavikuru, Prime Minister Roger Yojana, development of women children in rural in India. So many important schemes of government implement. Next one, entrepreneur function, promotional function, managerial function, and commercial functions. Next one, today one new lesson is types of entrepreneur. Types of entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a business or different according to types of activity undertaken by him or through the word. Entrepreneur is a general term. They are called by different names depending upon the functions they perform, business they engage in, technology they adopt, the area they or started the venture, the level of development by achieving the venture. One person, one selected the profession, the achieved means that is achieved means that person achieving person. The new technological implement in developed business in automatically business status or business level is improved. Business level improved. The types of ownership held by motivation. Motivation means motivation is one increasing the some kinds of knowledge. Motivation is a very important role for students. One student is more again and again motivation in positive things and positive way is repeated instructed mean automatically that students is successful in our achieve our goal. Okay. Next, besides each of the above the type of sub classified show in the chart. First one, types of entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is 7 types. First one is based on function. Second one, based on business, based on technology, based on motivation, based on development, based on area, based on ownership. This 7 type of ownerships, so each one ownership, so many classifications. First one is based on function. Based on function is first one, innovation, imitative, Fabian drone. First one is classification of according to the functions of entrepreneur. First one, innovation of entrepreneur. Mr. Karen Mazumdar Shaw, chairperson and managing director of Biocon Limited. The innovation entrepreneur. Innovation means what? Innovation means implement new technology, new product, new different method implement, that is innovation. Innovation author is who? The innovation author is Schumpeter. Innovation theory author is Schumpeter. Innovation entrepreneur is one who is always focused on introducing a new product or introducing something, some new venture already started. They constantly observe the environment around them, collect information, and always them order to contribute something, a new venture. Contribute something, new venture. Innovations of entrepreneur means already started the process, started the work, and new implementation, new technology implement. That is innovation. Innovation may take the form of abroad from branded a new listen branded a new product. Upgrade means already that product is production, but the production methods or taste style is upgrade. Discovering updated the market, new methods of production and re-engineering of existing product, new methods of distributing of products, simplification of complex process, adopting of distinct process, and so on. The innovation entrepreneur means automatically new product up to upgrade the product and new type of product, new technology, new methods, new design. That is innovation. Innovation means automatically innovation implement means automatically production increase. Second one is imitative entrepreneur. Imitative entrepreneur is one who simply the imitative existing skill, knowledge or technology already in the place advanced countries. Is simply re-engineering or redesigning the product developed in advanced country and produce version suit to the local condition. To local conditions. For example, many electronic products invented to advanced in country are simply re-engineering in developing countries. Similarly, expensive medicines and developed in advanced countries are simply re-engineered by changing the composition of the elements or changing the process of production. Is the best example. Some developed countries in so many electronic innovator in advanced countries already. Advanced country means now touch phone is India is most very famous only last 10 years only, but the last 10 years, but this is use advanced country in before 10 years used before 10 years used the technology. India is later only the technology used. Is re-engineering. They now advanced countries now new technology method in India is after 10 years only implement in developing countries. The most of electronic goods same way, this only. A developed advanced country are similarly re-engineering by changing the composition of elements of changing process of production, changing some mild changing, re-engineering some products in used in developing countries. Next one, Fabian entrepreneur. Fabian entrepreneur means old technology. Fabian entrepreneur means old technology. The entrepreneurs are said to be conservatives and skepticals about a plasticing and any changes in the organization. The Fabian entrepreneurs is a hold technologies in accepted in new do not accepted in new technology. Is the Fabian technology person is only in old followed in old technology only, but new technology you start and run means you lost may loss law Suddenly you lost means that person only in old technology only follow new technologies is not accepted this persons. They are risk arrive the type of do not simply change to the change happening in the environment, but they adapt themselves to the change only at the short. Suppose the business is lockout means the way we lost lockout means small changes only implement in this Fabin entrepreneur. Small changes only as a last report when they fear that non adaptability to change will inevitable lead to loss or collapse of the enterprise. This dealing the dealing are governed by customers, religious, traditional, and past practice handed down to them by their ancestors. They would like to they follow in the footstep of predecessor. Example, Narsus coffee. The Narsus coffee is old technological, old taste, old same only, but new is only instant, some little bit change only. One new instant coffee powder, that Narsus coffee. This is Fabin entrepreneur is a do not like in the new technology, new innovation implement in business, do not like. But the environmental is want the business lost situation, heavy loss or closed lockout. That situation only mild changes only in some innovations of new goods. Next one is drowning entrepreneur. This is drowning means that depression level of entrepreneurs. The same the Fabin entrepreneur. This person do not like in new innovation, new technology. Same product, same design, same flavor. That same in follow in so many years of you followed this method only. The drowning entrepreneurs. The drowning means depression entrepreneur. Drowning entrepreneur are those who are the totally observe to change the unfolding in the environment. They used to operated in the niche market. Niche market. They are similarly to Fabin entrepreneur in do, Dolligid in Fibin entrepreneur in Dodgedly means suddenly change means only in that person is suddenly business changing in only risk and loss only our mindset up. That person is do not like in new technology and preserving the conventional practice. The main difference between a Fabian entrepreneur and drone entrepreneur line of fact that is while a Fabian entrepreneur adopts a to change the even eventually at the last report drone drone entrepreneur never adopt himself or herself to change. Example, Gobal tube powder. Gobal tube powder in so many years of same flavor, same design, same color, only in market field. No, this powder is no innovation. That is same only. That now some changes means suddenly some changes that powder is some changes or different flavor, different means suddenly risk only. That person is feel risk only. So Gopal powder is no so many years of same design, same color, same only. First one is innovation of entrepreneur is new technology, new methods, new type of product, new designs in implementing innovation of entrepreneur. Second one, imitative entrepreneur. The imitative entrepreneur is developing countries already used in technology, now developed country, that method only in re-engineering use the product. Third one is Fabin entrepreneur. That entrepreneur is used only in old technology, do not like the new technologies. Next one, drone entrepreneur. The entrepreneur is same Fabin entrepreneur. This entrepreneur same category only. This new methods is implement. Dodgely means new method, implement means suddenly risk only. So you stop only old method, old flavor, old design only use in this method. Okay, students, for your next one class, next one topic will be discussed. The classification today, classification of according to functions, entrepreneur functions. Students, this four important types. The today itself the four headings you thorough. Next day you postpone means your workload is heavy. Dear students, you 12th standard students, do not waste your time. Every day, each and every subject, that day work, that day you finished. You next day work, your workload is heavy only. Okay, students, do not waste your time. Okay, thank you, students.